friend. It's me, Tinker, and this is Bill the Builder Bot. And this week in Tinkerland, it's Pirate Week. So we've been constructing and building all sorts of fun pirate projects. Bill and I just finished constructing all of these giant sharks that are animatronic and move around. And we want to show you how we made them. Come on. We'll start by taking our big cardboard box here. We want it to be nice and long. This will be the body of the shark. We'll draw a mouth right here, and then we'll cut this out. Now, great white sharks actually have a pointy nose, and this is a little flat. So I'm gonna take this extra cardboard here, and we'll tape it on the front to give it more of a point. I'll use some more cardboard and tape here to cover the top. Now, I wanted his jaw to move, so I cut a little piece right here and bent it, and that way it can open and close its mouth like a hinge. For the tail of our shark, we can take another box and open it on up like this, and we'll rip one of the panels off. There we go. And now we'll take two of our longer pieces and tape them onto our box. Now we can use our marker to create a really big tail that swoops up this way and over this way and back down and all the way around. Now let's cut that out. We can bend and twist this so that it's a curvier tail. And the other two pieces of cardboard we cut off of the box before can be used for the shark fin. Let's draw that with a marker. Shark fin kind of swoops down like this, and then like this. And we can trace that to make two of them. Now we can sandwich them together like this, and these little bits right here can flap up, and we can stick it to the top of our shark with some more tape. This is a little mechanism that I built powered by a motor called a reindeer motor. We can put it on the inside of the mouth here. Whoa, awesome, it works. Now it looks like it's opening and closing its mouth. How cool. Now we can paint it. You'd be surprised how much paint brings something to life. I've got all sorts of colors here. I've got dark blue, light blue, and white. And I've got a little bit of pink. We'll start with our darkest blue. We'll paint the upper part of the body this nice dark blue. We'll continue that blue all the way down here to the bottom end of the fin, his tail. Nice! Now we're gonna put white right down here. So I'll take our white and I'll lift up the fin and we'll paint the underside of this fin white. And then we'll paint the bottom half of his body white too. There we go. And I'm actually gonna blend this while it's still wet. So let's take a piece of paper towel like this and we'll wad it up, and then we'll just pat right here. We'll pat, pat, pat. And it'll blend these two colors together. Just kind of moving it around and blending. That looks great. We can do the same thing on this front fin here and just add a little bit of white to our paper towel and tap, tap, tap it all the way around and keep blending it so that it gives it some more dimension and makes it look more realistic. All right, now let's paint the face. Now right here, this is where the eyeball is gonna go. So we'll draw a temporary eyeball. It's gonna be really angry. And then this right here is gonna be the cheek. So these right here are gonna be the lips that go all the way around. We're gonna take our white right here and we're just gonna go all the way around the mouth and around the cheek and paint it white. There we go, nice. Now we can take our darker blue here and we can do the upper part of the head. We'll go right over our eyeball. And now, just like the body of our shark, we're gonna blend these two together. Gonna pat, 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 and squish it together. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this pink and add it right to the edge of the lips right here, right on the end. Just a little bit. Cool. Now we gotta paint the inside of this mouth red. Awesome. Now let's paint the top. Perfect. Now we also have this. This I made and added an extra box on the front. See how it goes this way? And this is a hammerhead shark. So we'll paint this one too. Let's paint this one gray. Shark, shark, shark. looks great.
Gliding like gentle kings. In the ocean they rule everything.
Now let's do the eyes. Whoa, that looks cool. He looks great. Wow, I love our hammerhead shark. Now that he's dry, we can add the final details. So I've got this black marker and we can draw his eyeball right here. We'll just draw an eyebrow and then draw a little eyeball. Ooh, he's really angry. All right, and then back here we can draw some of the gills. Let's give him gills. 1, 2, 3. That's how they breathe. They breathe through their gills underwater. And now we can add the teeth. So we'll just take some white construction paper and a pair of scissors, and we'll cut it in half like this, and then we'll just create some triangles, but I'll swoop the triangles instead, like this. And we'll create almost like fangs. Perfect. Look at those, cool. Now we'll take one of these and we'll take some tape and we'll put it right on the inside here. Whoa, those are nice teeth. Let's add them all around. Whoa, that looks so cool. Now let's plug in the motor and see him move. All right, here we go. Whoa, he looks like he's alive. Let's add some more motors and make it like he's swimming around. These are some more of the motor mechanisms that we made. We'll place this one and we'll put it on the ground and tie a string to it. And to make the shark pivot, we can use this. This is a lazy Susan. We'll rest the shark on top and then we can turn side to side. First, we'll put the lazy Susan right here on our bench. And then we'll take our shark and we'll place him right on top. There we go. Now he can turn side to side like this. Awesome. Now we'll take our string and a piece of tape and we'll just tape it to the back part of his fin right here. And now when we pull this, he can turn. And we'll tie this to the other end of our motor. Now I'll take another string and place it on the other side of the tail, right here. There we go. And now when I pull this, he'll pull the other way. And on the other end of our string, I have this cup that I taped to it, and I can put these rocks inside. And this will be a counterweight. So when it falls down, it'll pull our shark this way. Now we can use this. This is a stick with a pulley on it. See how it spins around like this? We'll just stick this in the grass, right there. And then I'll place the string and counterweight here so that it pulls it down and pulls our shark this way. Here he comes. Nice. Let's turn on our motor and see all of our sharks move.
Sharks, sharks, sharks in the water. Hammerheads, great whites, ocean marauders. Whale sharks gliding like gentle kings. In the ocean they rule everything. Whale sharks gliding like gentle kings. In the ocean they rule everything.
Whoa, these turned out so awesome. Which one's your favorite? Do you like the gray hammerhead shark? Or do you like the blue great white shark and how it chomps down on stuff? It was so much fun building these, and I can't believe we built these out of cardboard boxes. And you can build something just like this at home too. And it doesn't have to be big and ginormous. You can get creative with all sorts of things. Just get out there and start building. Well, it's time for us to go now, but I hope you had so much fun with us here in Tinkerland. And we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.
Whale sharks gliding like gentle kings. In the ocean they rule everything.
Hey! If you want to see how to make your own shark craft at home, now you can. Head on over to the Tinker and Friends YouTube channel and see our other video where we show you step by step on how to make your own shark craft at home. Or see how we made our other sea creature crafts like jellyfish, crabs, fish, and sea turtles. And get ready for next week when we build our giant pirate ship out of cardboard boxes and create a working cannon that shoots fog. It's all part of our Pirate Week celebration here in Tinkerland, where we'll be building all sorts of new pirate projects and show you tips and tricks so you can make pirate projects at home. There's so much to do and make here on Tinker and Friends. See you there.